Hi, this is Meir from Beer Bull Traders. I've been with the community since last September, like 10 months about. That's when I started trading, and it's been a struggle. I've been working slowly, try to get better. And today was an amazing day for me. So let me go in and show you share with you my trade from today. So coming into the day, Pfizer reported earnings. Actually, there was some news, I'm not sure what it was, but there was some news on Pfizer yesterday where it gapped down and it continued selling, so it was weak. Coming into today, they reported earnings and it gapped down very strongly again, so I made my watch list and I was watching Pfizer at the open. Now, going into the open, the pre-market, scroll back, here we go. It was choppy originally, down, and then it sold off strongly before the pre-market. So I was looking to get involved in a short. I came in short biased, but I didn't want to chase it. So what I did is I did what Brian talks about a lot. Show you on the 1 minute chart. Is a beaten down stock. I waited for it to pop up a VWAP. Now here this popped up to VWAP. As soon as it got up to VWAP, I saw on the level 2 here and the time sales that it really couldn't get above 40.20. So that's the time where I decided I'll take it short with my risk off the high of day, which is 40.20. I got filled at 40.10, so it was about a 10 cents risk. And as soon as I got in, it kind of wham, it crushed. It got crushed down. It cracked through the 40 all the way down till like 39.60 about. So immediately I covered half of my position. Usually I cover less, but because it made such a quick move, I wanted to take more risk off the table. And then it started curling back up, which got me nervous because the move happened so quickly. I was afraid maybe it's just gonna spike up, like, it's an easy stock, maybe it's just very choppy. So I took off half, and then as it went down here, it broke the 39.50. I took off some more. Here it came down, made another move. I took off some more. Here it cracked even more, and here all of a sudden it went down, it cracked the 39 level. So I took off some more. Then it started curling up over here, and I saw it started to become strong. So it looked like it was going to go back to the VWAP, and I just had very little of my position left, so I just took it all off. So that was my trade today. Because it was so early, basically I don't look that much on charts. I was looking much more on the time and sales. I looked like what's at the level 2 in the time and sales, like what's the significant price, what's the price where it can't break. So here it was around 40.20. It was like after the initial pop, I saw that it was weak. It couldn't break, so that's where I decided to short it, and it worked out fabulous. It was about a 3R, 4R, more. It was a 4R trade. I risked here about 10-12 cents, and I got more than 50 cents. So it's about a 4R trade, which was wonderful. So these days where we could do a 1, I took another trade, very small size, just because I had a good setup, but I didn't want to risk too much because I hit my daily goal already, and my close position was I made $50 on the Pfizer, which I'm very happy with. It's more than my goal. I'm taking it slowly but surely. As a new trader, trying to get better every single day, and today it worked out very well. Thank you for watching, and if you have any comments, you can leave it below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you, everyone.